Want to know how to check your activities in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you open it up, you should be provided with this main menu interface right here. So now once you're under this main menu interface, on the leftmost side you should be seeing various options right here that you can choose from. So right here you should also be seeing activities that should be right above your profile, so you can just simply select it. So once you have your activities tab should open up. So right here you should be seeing your mission or your goals. You can just simply select or see all of these goals right here, maybe special and time modes. So you can just simply change it by selecting reward post, which will re-roll it, and you can see your rewards as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you check your activities or your missions that you can win daily in Paladins. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.